G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, welcome back. The question of the day is, how long does it take to get your products onto Amazon? You may be asking that right now. You may have a shop, you may have a retail store, you may be selling stuff online, but you're selling physical goods and you want to jump onto Amazon, but you're like, hey man, how long does it take to get your products onto Amazon? Is it something that takes 6 months? Is it something that takes 6 weeks? What's the deal? Does it take 6 hours? Right. Is it 6 minutes? Right. No, it isn't. Right. So in this video, we're going to be answering that plus much more. So stay with me. We'll be back in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So, what is the deal? How long does it take? Now, I've got a team that do this sort of stuff for my clients. If you were to do this yourself, right, you need to do the following things, right? You got to obviously find out which products you want to put onto Amazon. You got to test the market, find out what their stats are, right? You want to be taking good photos and basically making it look fantastic. You probably already have those already. Or you can take them, right, quite cheaply. Then you've got to figure out what you want to do, whether you're going to fulfill it yourself and send them out directly to customers when you make the sale, or is Amazon going to do it for you, right? So again, that's another thing you want to do, right? If you want Amazon to do it, you have to send the goods to Amazon, right? If you want to send them out directly to your customer, then you just send them out when the sales come in, all right? How long does it take? Well, it can effectively, I've listed products for clients in 24 hours. We've actually listed products for clients. We've taken the photos, optimized the photos, added copy, written headlines, written description copy, written bullet points, right? Did the SEO, did the keywords, back end, front end keywords, right? We've actually looked at the competitors' keywords, what they're using, right? We've set up PPC campaigns. We've actually done that for one product in under 24 hours, right? Sometimes a lot less than that. Depends, of course, on the product, right? Because sometimes, you got to make sure that, you might be a question about the quality, it might be a question about the product, there's always questions sometimes. So how long does it take? You can actually have your product up and running on Amazon quite fast, but it does come down to you knowing what you're doing essentially, right? Because there are some traps with setting up at your Amazon listing, right? You got to know about barcodes, you've got to know about UPC codes or SKU codes, or what we call FN SKU codes, right? You've actually got to create those, right? You've got to create the barcodes, stick it on your product, and send it to Amazon warehouse for them to send it out to your customers, right? So when they scan it, they know exactly who it belongs to and what the product is, right? You've got to package it correctly, right? You've got to make sure there's the Made in China sticker. Is there cellophane, right? Is it a baby product? Well, there's got to be a suffocation sticker. All this sort of stuff I deal with on a day-to-day basis. But you guys got to know that. If you're listing your product on Amazon, you actually have to know that, right? So just be aware, you can get your product up and running on Amazon fast, but if it's done improperly, it can get quite costly. That's why it kind of does pay to go out and get someone to do it properly for you. And there are people out there, who's sort of like, well, Alex, I want to do it myself. And that's fine. That's completely fine. You can go out there and do it yourself. But sometimes, people buy, they jump on YouTube and they're trying to figure out how to go about doing it themselves. A lot of the stuff on YouTube, let me tell you guys, it's old or it simply does not work anymore. All right. So you can either do it yourself. The free courses or the cheap courses usually end up being the most expensive courses down the line because you're going to make mistakes. Most people do kind of make mistakes, and it does cost them in terms of time and in terms of money and getting it fixed up later on. So just be aware of that, guys. But you can list your products. To answer the question of today, you can list your products quite fast on Amazon, but you've got to know what you're doing. And you want to really do it. You don't want to be going in there and tweaking it later on and testing and going in there and just changing things around, right? You kind of want to set it up properly to begin with. If you have 1,000 products, you don't want to set it up and then go in and make all these changes later on. You want to just set it up properly. It's basically set and forget. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Check out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Check me out on Facebook. Check me out on LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn as well. Below this video, you'll find there's a couple of links there to my LinkedIn profile, to Pinterest, to Instagram. And I'm on the Instagram, right? I'm up there. I'm with it. Don't worry, all right? I'm on the Instagram. Follow me. Check out my pictures, all right? I post a lot more videos and pictures. I've got the face for radio. That's what my sister told me. So guys, check me out. I would love to work with you. We've got a free training on our website, amzproductlauncher.com. The link is below this video. Give us a call. Also at the office, 02 8003 7534. I'm based in Sydney. We do a lot of our training up on the Gold Coast. However, my clients are all around Australia and all around New Zealand. I would love to work with you, and I would love to help list your product on Amazon. I wish you the best success. I wish you a fantastic day, and I'd love to talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. See you later.